Hi, welcome to Moonrise Distillery. My name is Doug Nassaur and I'm the owner and the head distiller. If you come up to Rabun County, we're in the city of Clayton. We're open 6 days a week. The only day we're closed is Wednesday. We started this distillery in 2012, but bourbon takes a lot of time to age. So we didn't actually allow customers on property till somewhere towards the end of 2017. We'd love to welcome you up here. When you cross our gates, you go back to 1900, right? That's when we used to make the best whiskey in this country. So our goal is to make you top quality products, but also offer them 30 to 50% less expensive than a lot of the mass marketed, mass produced stuff that's out here today. We're a family owned operation, so everything here is made here. My son CJ is my assistant head distiller. My wife Jennifer runs our front office here and our speakeasy bar. We even have mom in here on weekends. So we're a 3-generation operation. Welcome to the Speakeasy Bar. Thanks to our customers, it's been an amazing couple years. In a 3-year period, we've been able to grow from about 30 people a month to over 8,000 people a month. So we had a real big vision for how we wanted to expand once that happened. So we wanted a place where whether you wanted to come for a cup of coffee with some of our amazing bourbon snow cream, which happens to be really good in coffee, or whether you wanted to come late morning for a Bloody Mary. We wanted you to have a place to come. Now, the interesting thing is, in these difficult times, it's become very difficult to get something done, let alone quickly. So we had a vision, and that vision required us to have this whole renovation and expansion done within 7 to 8 weeks. So we did a great deal of it ourselves. We pulled in a couple very important key partners. One of our key partners was a city discount. We wanted this building to feel and look like an old mountain cabin that had been here forever that someone turned into a speakeasy bar. Well, one of the challenges is, how the heck do you fit it all in here? It was a tight time frame. We needed design services. We knew what we wanted. We knew what we wanted it to look and feel like. We needed somebody that actually knew how to implement that. They were our go-to folks in that. Unfortunately, we don't know a whole lot about restaurant and bar equipment. One of the things we leaned heavily on A City for was, how do we lay it out? So they were able to come in with CAD systems and drawings, and one of the neat things is all the vendors that they rep for, they know all the dimensions, and they can fit those into a CAD system. They can tell you what's going to fit, what's not going to fit, but most importantly, they allow you to do a dry walkthrough, right? Where you could look at a CAD drawing and you could do kind of a day in the life. A City Discount let us do that. So we were able to figure out where we wanted to have the openings, where we wanted to have the sink, right? When we bus tables, where's the dump sink got to go? How close is that to dishwashers and stuff like that? So one of the big things that we needed to do, we wanted our ready-to-drink craft cocktails on tap. Well, so there are challenges that go along with that, especially since we don't carbonate those products. Refrigeration, what do we buy? You know, how can we get it? How soon can we get it? How do we get it set up? How big's the footprint? Where do we need to put glasses? What we were able to do in a 7-week period is not only renovate and expand, but we were also able to outfit this bar. Anything that we felt A City Discount was representing, we knew they had a good relationship with the vendors. And that came in handy, whether it was tables and chairs, whether it was refrigeration, whether it was a dishwasher, you know, those kinds of things. You know, it's pretty important, especially when you're on tight time frames. Strong recommendation from us. If you're renovating or creating something new, definitely give A City Discount a look.